Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I do anything Disney. And I have a husband here. I haven't introduced you in any of our videos. This is Brendan, you've met him maybe. But this video, we're here for 3 days, and I wanted to do a video of the journey of pin trading at Disneyland in both parks. So this box doesn't have the actual stuff. I put all of our traders in here, and I want to show you what we have before, and then I want to take you to our journey through pin trading, and then we can see what we ended up with after and see if it was good or not. So we have, you've seen quite a bit of these. We have Dale, yeah, or Chip. Oh, I'm so bad at this. Dale?
Chip.
Chip. We have Chip. It says good. I wanted them as a pair, so I'm going to trade this one. We don't have a setup, as you can tell, we're like in Disneyland. This robot from the 50th anniversary, this is pretty cool, so I don't know if we'll end up trading it or not. We have this pineapple from like the hidden mystery ones. There's a lot in here. I've been prepping for this. We have a Hades pin. I just didn't like the color of it. We have the Stitch paint. I got this at Disneyland in December, but I thought maybe trading it. I wasn't too in love with it. This Bambi one, I won this at a giveaway from Heartland's Family Adventures. You should follow them. They're pretty great. Hold on. Okay. And but I don't like Bambi. Sorry. So I'm gonna trade that. I have this Stuck on You, Bonnie and Bonnie from Toy Story 5, which I should have never made. I don't know, I didn't like the ending of it. Then we have Gaston, sorry. There we go. Then we have Gaston. I like the Beast more, but we have Gaston there. Tastes pretty good. We have Aladdin. And finally, we have Prince Eric. Sorry for the shifting camera. Like I said, we're in Disney California Adventures when I'm filming this, so hopefully you can hear me, hopefully you get to see them. There's quite a bit of them, so we'll see what we end up with after the 3 days. But yeah, let's go ahead and go trade. Any good ones? I kind of like Tiana. And then Mickey. Okay, so we're at the Disneyland Hotel, and it's our first trade. We got a little Mickey and a piggy for Gaston and the pineapple. We'll see if I keep these, but so far I like the upgrades. Okay, so shortly after I showed you my other two, we're gonna do a second trade. I'm gonna trade in Chip and Prince Eric. I really like Prince Eric, but I feel like other people like him more. And I'm gonna show you which two I saw that I really liked.
So I asked the guy, I'm like, how?
Okay, so this is one of them. Hops. I may trade her again if I don't see anything better, but I kind of liked her. And then this is the one I'm not gonna trade because I love her. Ready? Oh, so cute. I think it's Lularu, right? It's not Duffy. They called her Duffy, but I feel like Duffy is... Okay, I'm trading Aladdin. Someone's gonna be really happy with you. So, alright, put it back. And then I'm gonna take... Where was it? Oh, Daisy. I have a lot of Donalds, but not a single Daisy. Alright, so we were about to trade, and I realized that the pin I would grab... Oh yeah, the pin I grabbed wasn't real. You can just tell based on the quality. So we didn't trade. Alright, so we are at Pooh's Corner and we traded Aladdin. I traded it for Duffy's ears. With a little hidden Mickey. And they have a book, so you just have to ask. But yeah. We think there's trading in here, so we'll see. You could trade there, but we didn't see any that we liked, so I guess it's like pin trading day or something. I'm sure there's Facebook groups and they decided when to come. I don't know. We met someone from Arizona though, so that was kind of nice. But we traded him the Bonnie and Molly one for coconuts from Moana, and then also for this one, Ernesto de la Cruz. So what we have left to trade are what Brendan has. So we have the two that I traded for yesterday that I'm still not sure. This one too. We still have my Disney World one, and then this one. So we have 5 contenders. Hi everyone, I'm back home. I wanted to show you what we ended up with in the parks. If you can tell, this box is absolutely trashed after all our trading for 3 days. This just means I'm gonna have to buy another mystery pack so I can get a new box. Yes, I can use one of the many bags I have, but I don't know, there's something fun about looking through the box. But let's go ahead and see what we ended up with. I ended up with a lot of Shelly May stuff, shockingly. So here's the first one. This little Shelly May one is just her looking wonderful with a little boat in the bottom. And then it just has the Disney parks in the back. I believe that this one is just Disneyland, so nothing out of the ordinary, but I just thought it was really, really cute. It might be a future trader. I'm not too sold on the shape of it. I know that's odd, something odd to like critique, but I don't know. The next one I have is the Coco Watts from Moana. I know that's not their name. Let me know in the comments what their name is, but I call them the Coco Watts because Moana's like, Coco what? I think they're so cute, and I never had a Moana pin, and I really like that movie, so it's kind of shocking the lack of Moana stuff I have. I don't know why. There's some cute stuff, so I just need to start collecting it. The next thing I have is this Matterhorn pin. Now this is one of my husband's, which is weird to say because he loves pin trading, loves it. Like he can spend the whole park day trading, but they're never for him, which is wild. I think he just likes finding good ones for me, but he found one for him. It's Matterhorn like shield. It is his favorite ride at Disneyland. I also really like it. It makes you feel like a trash bag. I know that's a weird thing to say, but if you've ever ridden Dinosaur, you know exactly what I mean. It just throws you everywhere. You have no control of your body. The next one I have is a Duffy Bear, so it goes with Shelly May. The little ears, so adorable. It has a little Mickey in the side. It says little Duffy. I don't know when I started falling in love with Duffy, honestly. I don't know if it was during our Disney cruise, because they have a little Duffy like captain that I have. If you want to see him, it'll be in my what I got on my Disney cruise video. But I really started falling in love with him, and now I really like Shelly May because I mean they go together. I really like the Shelly May one. I saw this the first day at the Fantasia store, and I traded it so quickly. And I noticed, let me see if it focuses, that it says Shanghai Disney Resort. So that means that this came from Shanghai? That's pretty gnarly. I didn't see that when we traded it. I was just so excited about how cute it was, and the cast members were so sweet that I was just like happy about the trade, and I didn't even look at details, so I'm like super happy about that one. The next one I have is this one. Now I saw this collection in, I want to say it was Inside Andy's channel, really good channel, you should check it out, and they were opening Wishables, and this came out. I want to say it was them, and I was like, oh, I love it, but I don't really collect Wishables. But they made it into a pin. Look how cute. You like, this little teacup just got a churro and it's ready to eat it, and look how excited it is. So cute. And she's probably like, I'm not gonna share. The next thing I got is this other one of my husband's. Now I don't like the style, and I told him I didn't like the style, and it feels a little bit weird. I don't know what it is about the style. If you know more about this, let me know, because to me it feels a little bit light. I don't know, it's not my favorite. He really liked it because it's the haunted tower of Terror, and that's his favorite ride over at Hollywood Studios in Disney World, and I believe it was his favorite when we went to Disneyland Paris. It's cool. I also like that ride when I don't feel like it's gonna give me a heart attack, but I just don't like this particular pin. But it's not mine, so it is what it is. The next one I have is this Ernesto de la Cruz, which I showed you in the videos. Now Ernesto de la Cruz is the worst, and I think we can all agree on that, but overall he's pretty nicely designed and animated, and I really like the guitar. I like to dress like him because it's so easy. You just wear gold and white. So easy to Disney bound, And then there's the back. For some reason it feels really new, like it just came out of the box and someone's like, ugh, Ernesto. And then they put it for trading. And then I have 2 more. I have this cutie. Look how small, but look how sassy this is. Oh my gosh, the sass. Now, Chip and Dale are new to my life. I know. Where have I been? I have no clue where I've been. And I didn't know which one was which until the awesome cast member who traded it actually told me that the little nose is a giver. So chocolate chip is Chip. That's the chocolate chip nose. And then Dale is the one with the red and the gap in their teeth. I never knew that. I wish somebody would just have told me. I know a lot of people told me this is Chip and this is Dale, but I need a mnemonic device to memorize it. But I showed it to Chip at the parks and he was so into it. It was such a cute interaction. And then the last one is Figaro. I love Figaro. I got to meet him at Disneyland. I didn't realize he sits up there and sleeps all day until this time that we went around, and we found this safety pin one. Now I have another one of Winnie the Pooh. He's in one of my other hauls if you want to see him, so this will be my second safety pin one. I love this series. I saw somebody with a Stitch one, so now I kind of want to look for them, and I don't know if I want to get my life into trading, but these safety pin ones are so cute, and Figaro is one of my favorite Disney cats. So cute. And that is it. Now the last one, the only one we didn't trade is this one. And the reason is one, I don't know what it is, and I still want to figure out what it is before I trade it, because I got it in one of my mystery boxes. It's part of the 50th anniversary Disney World, but I don't know what it is. Spaceship Earth robot? I have no clue. Somebody who's more of an expert and has a better memory, hopefully you can tell me. So I didn't trade it. I think I might still trade it when we go to Disney World in summer, but for now I did not trade it. Which one was your favorite? So yeah, those are the pins. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. And if you ever pin traded, what are some the best spots of pin trading that you've noticed? I noticed that the Disneyland Hotel was one of the better spots, and I think it's because there's not a lot of people that go. So I would definitely check that out if you have time. Let me know if you like the style of video, since I hadn't done it before. Let me know if you want to see the whole process rather than like little clips kind of like I did, or I don't know what part of the process you would want to know. We are new to it, so everything that I learn, I let you know. But we are definitely new, and this was definitely the most trading we've done. We need to restock before we go on our trip in May, but it was just really fun, and I'm really happy with what I ended up with. Now I know some of you are here for the giveaway, so I might as well just get to it. I know, I'm sorry. I did put everybody's name in here, so if you forgot, or if you're like, what giveaway? What is she talking about? So 2 weeks ago, I announced a giveaway for this beautiful Matterhorn bobsled attraction, Donald Duck. Matterhorn, my husband's favorite, like I said, and Donald Duck, one of my favorite characters. And it was to celebrate my 750 subscriber. We are close. I'm gonna say close. We are okay to 800. And when we get to 800, I'll do another giveaway because I still have a bunch of stuff to give away. And I love giving away because I get to meet so many new of you. New of you? New you? I get to meet so many new people. Let's go with that. So without further ado, let me go ahead and spin. I put everybody here who was publicly subscribed to me and commented on that video. So we're gonna go ahead and spin it. I am recording on here so that you can see it up close. Let's just click to spin. Oh, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Ooh, let's do it. Ooh, ooh. What's it gonna be? Sam K. Hey! Congrats. Please hit me up. That sounds weird. Please hit me a message on Instagram so I can send this to you as soon as I can. And thank you everybody else who entered. I hope you enjoyed my content so far. I'm coming out with a lot of new content. We're going on a cruise, another cruise. We're going back to Disney World. We're going to Disneyland here soon for the Star Wars event. And when you subscribe, you are first to know about it. And it really helps me out as well. I hope you like this video, and until next time, adios. Oh.